Hello, my name is Teemu Laitinen. I'm a CEO in a company called Almerin. Almerin is a Finnish company, and we have been participating in a PCP process called IMAILE. IMAILE Procurement is aiming to develop a new personal learning environment for elementary and secondary schools. We all learn different ways. Some people learn using visual aids, some people learn using verbal aids. For that reason, learning should be individualized. So learning should be different for every student, and that's lacking in the traditional learning and teaching. Our personal learning environment has all the same features like the competitive products on the market right now, but we will bring artificial intelligence to the product. So the artificial intelligence can analyze and monitor and measure many things what the students do, how they learn, what kind of materials they use, and what kind of learning results they get. And the artificial intelligence can also tailor and create individual learning paths for the students, and also it can help the teacher in many ways. There are many ways to tailor the learning content. For example, if there's a student, let's say John likes to play ice hockey, and the topic what they are learning is friction. Then John might see learning videos related to ice hockey and friction. There might be another student, Lisa, who likes dancing, and Lisa might see learning content what is related to dancing and friction. Also, the students might have different learning style, and the learning content will be tailored based on the learning style. John might see more videos, Lisa might see more textual learning content. And this is the way how artificial intelligence can tailor the learning content. We develop or we provide our product software as a service, so SaaS service. So it's in a cloud. So the benefit is that schools don't need to install any software at all. They just need a hardware which has an internet browser, and they can use our product. We also have several elements that we have taken from gaming industry that kind of increases the motivation. Like, for example, students can set goals, and when they achieve the goals, they will get rewarded, they will get badges and so on. So right now we are in the phase 3 of this PCP project. We have already a prototype, and now we are testing the prototype with different schools in Europe. And based on the feedback, we are making some changes to the product so that it will really fulfill the customer need. The PCP has had several benefits for our company. The most important one has been that it has given us resources for our R&D, mainly financial resources. Without PCP, we wouldn't have been able to hire so many people to do our R&D work. Second thing, we have got a testing environment thanks to the PCP process, so we can test our system in several schools in different countries in Europe. Third important thing what PCP has given us is the market access. So we can access and enter global markets due to the PCP process, because the procurers who are funding the PCP process are going to buy this personal learning environment after the PCP process. And fourth thing, what has been very useful for us is the credibility. So since we have been very successful in this PCP, it has shown that we have very good product, there's a market need for our product, and also we have very competent team that can develop that kind of product. In that sense, we have grown a lot during the PCP. Our product is not ready yet, so we haven't got any sales yet, but but let's say soon we will have sales thanks to the PCP project. When we go to the market, we are not going to do that by ourselves. We are a very small company. We don't have resources to build our own global distribution network. And for that reason, we are going to partner with bigger companies, global companies who already have global distribution network. When we started Almerin, we didn't have any consortium, so we did everything by ourselves. This is a startup company. So basically, during this IMAILE project or PCP project, we have grown from this one-person company to this 20-people company. Yeah, I am a serial entrepreneur. This is my fourth company that I have set up. If I compare this company, which is Almerin, which has participated and succeeded in PCP process, and my earlier startups, the growth has been maybe 4 times faster than in my earlier companies without any PCP process. What I have learned during this PCP process is that it is very beneficial for startup companies. So I can warmly recommend to take part in PCP process for all startups. I would definitely do it again.